Hi guys, this is Alan again, and we're gonna do another install. The name of the granite is Dakoda Mahaghony, and we're gonna go ahead and walk right into the house. Before we do that, this is the other side of the stone, and we put the corner piece inside already. As you can see, we put the cornerstone inside. Getting ready for the sink, so I'll let the guys do that while they have another piece that's for the window.
Here, guys.
All right.
Help yourself.
Yeah, we're getting ready to seam this countertop, so we're going to put these two pieces together.
But try not to get acid on the cabinet, because some cabinets are painted. Yeah. No, some people do that.
But the gap is like this big.
It's all right. Sometimes too tight is no good. Easier to fall apart.
So how can I polish? I mean, I cut it out. I cut the shape in. How do I polish it to finish it?
It's the seam
You have to
right
use the
here.
pad. The
Can I do it by hand?
yeah. Well, we do it by hand anyway, you know. You just got to get a variable speed grinder instead of.
Nice. We got to send you a picture when
picture
it's
of
all
us.
done.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah,
Definitely.
all
Take a picture of
decorated and
this.
the tile and all. Let me see over here.
Pop,
Hold
pop.
her for a second, Dan. Let me check your
just
sleep
like
out. Oh, nice.
That's just tape right there. It just comes
I
right
see.
off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not a problem at all. Just doing
Nice.
a
Okay. So you did go to the center. I think you should.
Well,
Now that I
everybody
see
said to the
this.
side,
But
they
you
had.
did go to the side.
No, I
No,
didn't.
it's for the soap. It's for the soap dispenser. That's for the soap dispenser and that's for the sink. We have an automatic soap dispenser.
Right, but the center is here. This is off to
Get
the
her
side
break
a
for a
little.
minute.
It looks great.
It's off to the side a little. Look at it. Oh, well, that's in the middle.
Okay. I like it.